Hey guys, we're going to have a go at harmonising to a third. So this is a little bit different to your fifth, where the fifth stayed pretty much the same interval for most of the way through. The third bounces back and forth between your major and minor thirds. So let's have a look at what that actually looks like. If we start with a G major, we can see our third here. All right, nice and easy. Happy third. Now, if we move up a mode into the Dorian, we've got a minor third. Move up again into the Phrygian, minor third, up again, and you get a Lydian back into a major. So the point here is that it changes as you move through, and the harmony is much more interesting. So let's put it into practice. We're just going to go to the tried and true minor and major. So A minor scale, the third is a C major, which I'm sure you're probably getting a bit sick of by this point, but geez, it's kind of a great easy one that keeps coming back for more and more goodness. All right, we're going to play through just the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And you can hear that major over the top adds a lot of colour to that, and it's really interesting. Now, that's one way to do things. If we start in the major and we go up a third, it's actually going to be quite different. So say we're starting with a G major, it's actually going to be our B Phrygian that is the third up. All right, so G major will be our root, B Phrygian. So quick, that's our B Phrygian. All right, let's kick off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can hear there, it's still that same shifting of intervals, you're just starting with a major third. All right, now how do we tie this into some riffs? So we're going to do just a pretty simple riff, but when you've got to translate these, it can get a little bit tricky. All right, so let's just start with this. Really simple. We're doing a pull off from A minor, we're going to go back to the 7th, okay, from the octave. So pull off, okay, so it's the octave to the 7th, to the 5th, and back. Now, when I go and translate that up to a major, my 7th is going to change, okay, because it's different. So here, there's my octave, but my 7th is here. So my riff is going to be, all right, so let's just give that one a little crack. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see there our riff is a bit different. Now, hitting the 7th is a great one to shift things around, but of course also using some of the other notes will really shift things in and out as you go. So a descending run sounds pretty cool. Now, let's have a look. If I'm going to do a descending run here, and I run, let's say, just straight back from the 6th, get a couple of extra notes to fill in. So when I hit the root, I'm going to drop back to the 7th and back. Now, when I go to translate that, I can go alright. Now, doing a pull-off like that can be a little bit annoying. So I'm going to go with mixing things up a tad, and let's stretch this one out. Alright, we'll use that. Okay, so instead of that note, I'm going to use the 12th fret. Feels very different, doesn't it? Alright, we'll just run through that again. So, 4 notes on this string now. Alright, better get this one going. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we've got to leave it there, but you can see that the harmonising with the 3rd is a really interesting tool to play with. Leave it there. See you next time.